Even if you leave people alone, they will not leave you alone, right? You don't get involved in any trouble. You don't do anything to agitate or to aggravate. You just keep to yourself, and still people are going to talk about you. Still people are going to mess with you. Still people are going to make claims about you. You're still going to find yourself in a mess because people have become collectively messier. And so they said to Abu Darda radiallahu ta'ala anhu, okay, فَكَيْفَ نَصْنَعْ? What are we supposed to do when that time comes? قَالَ تُقْرِضْهُمْ مِنْ عِرْضِكَ لِيَوْمِ فَقْرِكَ. He said, loan them your name for a day in which you will be impoverished. You'll be in poverty. Loan them your name. Let them have it. Let them speak about you. Let them say things about you. Let them, take shots at you. Let them prick. Because there will come a day of poverty. The Prophet ﷺ mentions that 𝗟𝗞𝗞𝗘, that those people that have a lot will have such little on the Day of Judgment. Except for those, of course, who were people of charity and goodness. And the Prophet ﷺ mentioned al-muflis, a bankrupt person on the Day of Judgment. Some people will show up on the Day of Judgment with salah, with prayer, with fasting, with all types of good deeds. And it will all go away in front of their eyes because it's a credit card. All these people that you hurt, سَبَّ هَذَا وَشَتَمَ هَذَا وَاغْتَابَ هَذَا وَضَرَبَ هَذَا, they're all going to line up one by one and take your good deeds until you're left with nothing. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from being amongst them. Allahumma ameen. And a person says, Ya Allah, I have nothing left. Now you go into debt on the Day of Judgment. People will come and put their sins on you because you have no more good deeds for them.